everyone, I'm back with a small update video regarding yesterday's horror game kit video. I saw the immense amount of comments regarding the keys with the doors. I think like 80% of the comments were that. So I don't know why I didn't include it in that video. I should have had something in place that you can open the locked door with, but I have updated the kit and it now includes the keys. So if we go into toolbox, my models, the realistic horror game kit, you could see when we insert it, there's now a yellow lock and a red lock. These don't matter. I'm going to explain that in 1 second, but let me just really quickly set up the kit. So everything is now set up. So if we go up to the yellow key and try to unlock the red lock with it, a lock sound plays because it's not the red key. But if we go up to the yellow lock, we can unlock it, an unlocking sound plays, and we are now able to open and close the door. If we take the red key, we can unlock the red door with it, and we can open and close that one as well. So basically how these keys work, they have no correspondence to the color. I just made it that color so it's easier to show for you guys. If you guys want to make a new key, let's say I made a new door, right? And I made the lock blue, so we'll make the lock blue. And I made a new blue key. We'll go to handle, and we'll make this blue. This key has a value inside of it called target door. What you set that you click on this value and you set it to the locked door model. So I'll click on this, and now, oh wait, hold up, wrong thing. The target door value to the locked door model, like that. So it should just say locked door in the value. Now, if we click play here, you can now see that if we take the blue, red, and yellow key, so we have all three, if we try to unlock any other door, we can't, but the blue door can now be unlocked. So it has no correspondence to the actual color, just that value inside of the key called target door. So that's how you set up and make new keys. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. It was just a small update on the keys that I added to the kit. I don't know if I'm going to be touching this kit again, so if you guys have any questions, concerns, or anything that I've done in today's video or yesterday's video, please join the Discord server linked in the description. I am very active on there. I have great staff mods that try to help you guys with any problems that you may have. If you guys enjoy the video, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff on your way out. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.